what Article 12 talks about is it defines the term state. So what is state? State includes the government and the Parliament of India, that is the Union Executive and Union Legislature. Example: President, PM, Union Minister, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. It also includes government and the legislature of each states, that is the executive and legislature of states. Example: governor, CM, state minister, legislative assembly and legislative council. It also includes all local authorities. So all local authorities within the territory of India or under the control of Government of India. So example are municipalities, Jilla Parishad, Panchayat, District Board, etc. And it also includes other authorities. So other authorities is a debated one. It has been interpreted by judiciary to include bodies created by statutes or even non-statutory body. So let us see the case law related to other authorities. So here I have provided all the important cases related to other authorities. So let us see one by one. So first is University of Madras versus Santabai. So this case has a narrow interpretation. Here other authorities must be e justem generis to local authority. So the rule of e justem generis has been applied in this case. What is e justem generis rule? So it indicates the authorities of like nature, like the government office or government bodies. Only these offices are termed as state under these cases. But in Ujjain versus state of UP, the e justem generis rule was rejected. Third is Rajasthan State Electricity Board versus Mohanlal. So here the statutory corporation was included as state, like the before in University of Madras versus Santabai, only e justem generis like similar bodies were termed as state. But here in Rajasthan State Electricity Board versus Mohanlal, all the statutory corporation like Electricity Board, Cooperative Society and even Chief Justice of High Court here. So if you see judiciary in judicial form is not treated as state, but judiciary in administrative state is termed as state. Administrative form means like the Chief Justice of High Court has the power to appoint officials of court. So he is performing the administrative functions. So the administrative function of judiciary is treated as state, but the judicial function of judiciary is not treated as state. So the fourth case is Sukhdev Singh versus Bhagat Ram. So here the ONGC, LIC, IFC was held as state. So the fifth case is RD Sethi versus International Airport Authority of India. Here the court expanded the scope and it says that if a body is financially, functionally and administratively dominated by the government, it is termed as state. So the next case is Ajay Hasia versus Khalid Mujib. So this is the important case here. It lays down the test to determine state under Article 12. So what it says, it has given 5 points to determine whether the body is termed as state or not. The first point is the government should hold entire say capital. Entire say capital will be held by government. Second is financial assistance by government. So the financial assistance by government is so high that almost all the funding is provided by government and the body is dependent on it. Third is government confers, protects monopoly status. Next is function of public importance closely related to government. Like if you see the universities, so it is of public importance. Electricity board, it is of public importance. So the function of public importance is closely related to government. So it is termed as state. Even NCRT. And lastly, the government exercise deep and pervasive control. The seventh case is Pardeep Kumar Biswas versus Indian Institute of Chemical Biology. So here the CSIR to be held as state and it reaffirmed Ajay Hasia case. I have provided the institution and the status under Article 12. So as I've already said, judiciary in judicial function is not treated as state, but in administrative function is treated as state. So this is the important case. NCRT under the case of VK Sodhi versus Union of India, it was not treated as state, but later after the Ajay Hasia case, it is treated as state because it is of, as I have stated, the function of public importance is closely related to government. So even university, the same thing. If it's a statutory body, it is treated as state. If it's a private, if the government funding is not there, so and the monopoly status is not there, then it is not treated as state. Public sector bank is treated as state. Delhi Transport Corporation is also treated as state. Cooperative society, if formed under the statute with government control, then it is treated as state. And private educational institution is not treated as state. NGOs, private companies is not treated as state unless it has a government control. And BCCI is not treated as state in the case G Telefilm Limited versus Union of India. So thank you for watching my video. I have tried to make it simple as possible. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.